Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about my new Chanel earrings that I've recently purchased. I mentioned them in the other video and I will add the link below in the description box. But yeah, so here are the earrings and I'm gonna unbox them. I purchased these earrings when I was repairing my Chanel flap, and this is the receipt for that so I can collect it. And I have another receipt that's actually for the earrings itself. I will try to find the earrings on Chanel website and add the link below. I'm holding my phone with one hand and unboxing with the other one. When I was in Chanel store, at first I wasn't sure if I should spend the money on these earrings, but I would totally regret if I didn't. I love unwrapping Chanel purchases. I love the way they're always nicely wrapped for us. It's so pretty. The packaging is black and white. So nice. So this is the instruction how to, not to use perfume with costume jewelry, and I wouldn't really do that. And actually sales associate warned me to not to use perfume when wearing the earrings. You should apply perfume and then put on the earrings. I would be so much faster if I had both hands free, but that's okay. So yeah, these are the earrings. I really like them. I wanted to have big earrings like that, statement earrings. I already know what outfits I will wear with these earrings, and they're just gonna match perfectly some of my blazers. This is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you liked my earrings, and please feel free to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.